Namaskar standard 5 students. Today we will note down from page number 46 question number 3. Page number 46 chapter 4 page number 46 question number 3. Question number 3 is correct, choose the correct option. MCQ. Choose the correct option. Okay, now question number A. Question number A is which of the following is the most powerful operating system? Which of the following is the most powerful operating system? Is the most powerful operating system? Which is the most powerful operating system? Now we can see the four options. Option 1 Windows XP, option 2 WinME, option 3 Windows 7 and option 4 Windows 8. Okay, now right answer is Windows 8, option number 4. Option number 4 Windows. It is saying that Win 8, Win actually it is short form Windows 8. Now question number B. Question number B is Windows 8 was invented by Windows 8 was invented by option 1 Microsoft, option 2 is Apple, option 3 Intel and option 4 Beatle. Correct option is option 1 Microsoft. Microsoft is the correct option. Option 1 MICROSOFT. Now question number C. Question number C is which of the following is an app in Windows 8? Which WHICH, which of the following FOLLOWING, which of the following is an app? Is an app in Windows 8? In Windows 8, which of the following is an app in Windows 8? Okay, question number option 1 is Maps, option 2 Music, option 3 Photos and option 4 all of these. All of these means that all other three options are correct. So we can see Maps, Music and Photos and as an apps in Windows 8. So option 4 all of these is the correct answer. Option 4 all of these. Now we are going to question number D. Question number D is a lot of inbuilt dashes are available in Windows 8. A lot of inbuilt dashes are available in Windows 8. Are available in Windows 8. Option 1 is apps, option 2 file, option 3 system tray and option 4 is none. Okay, the correct option is option 1 apps, inbuilt apps. Option 1 apps is the correct answer. Now we are going to question number E. Question number E is the navigation corner hotspot is located at The navigation corner hotspot is available the navigation corner is located, not available. The navigation corner hotspot is located at dash of start screen. Dash of start screen. Okay. Option 1 is bottom left, option 2 is top left, and option 3 is bottom right, and option 4 is top right. The correct answer is option 2, top left. If it is written here as top left, actually the answer is top left. Option 2, top left. Now we are going to question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is question number 1. What is Windows 8? What is Windows 8? What is Windows 8? Windows 8 is an Windows 8 which is optimized for touch screen devices. Windows 8 which is optimized for touch screen devices. For touchscreen devices is more powerful operating system. Is more powerful operating system. Is more powerful operating system than Windows 7. Then Windows 7. Now we are going to question number B. Write two main features of Windows 8. Number B. Write two main features of Windows 8. Answer. Option 1 is title based the main features are number 1 title based user interface. The short form for user interface is UI. Okay, number 2 is lots of inbuilt apps. Number 3 is Chance bar. Number 4 is touch interface. TOUCH, touch interface for touch facility, and etc. Now in this question it is asked only two main features. but your teacher has gave more than 4 facilities, so you can write any 2 of these 4 options. Now we are going to question number C. Question number C is name any 2 hotspot corner available in Windows 8. Question number C is name any 2 hotspot corner available in Windows 8. Answer is the 2 hotspot corners are number A, Chamsburg, and number 2 is navigation, navigation, navigation corner, corner. Number D is give any 2 example of apps existing in Windows 8. Give any 2 apps existing in Windows 8. Answer: the 2 apps are number 1 Maps, number 2 Photos, PHOTOS, number 3 Music, MUSIC, and etc. Number E, name the bar that are available into bottom right corner of start screen. Name the bar that are available into bottom right corner of start screen. Into bottom right corner of start screen. The answer is the name of the bar is Chamsburg. The name of the bar is Chamsburg. Now number F. Number F is which hidden array? Number F is which hidden array, which hidden array of menu items helps us to do things we do most often. Help us to do things we do most often. We do most often. Answer: answer is which hidden array of the menu item helps us pin this program to the taskbar helps us to do things we do most often. Okay, this is for all standard 4 standard 5 students, CW and HW for all students. Namaskar students.